Oh god. Oh god. What?
What did you do?
Oh my god. Oh, he's gonna.
I've waited a long time for this.
He's gonna honk honk.
Chozen. No. Honk.
They got the same laugh. Dude, I love this.
Having fun at my expense. Oh, you should have seen your face. What did you do? I have waited a long time for this. Honk. Oh, you should have seen your face.
There must be a new move. This is what he's doing. That's in the scroll. This is the scroll, I think. It's like the crane kick, but a different move. His arm went dead. Pressure point. They're pressure points. He's literally hitting pressure points. He's gonna beep his nose. I love it.
Waited a long time for
Oh my god, it's gonna happen.
Chozen.
He's gonna beep him.
Honk.
Most amazing thing I've ever seen in my whole life.
Oh, you should have seen your face.
Oh my god, I love it.
What the hell is this? She's gonna make the Kamehameha or something? What's going on? Oh! Did he just break? Oh! He can't feel anything. Pressure points or something?
Honk.
Oh my god, that's great.
You're having fun at my pressure points.
What if he uses that on Miguel? I think that's how they're gonna use. They're gonna help Miguel. Oh. Dude,
I have waited a long time.
he's gonna honk him on the nose, right?
No.
Honk.
Honk.
It's so classic.
To protect me. What did you do? What did you do?
Oof. Can he not feel those parts of his body? Is it like the hand trick? It's like the hand trick thing, right? Except for like opposite.
Chozen. No.
Honk.
Honk.
I knew he was gonna do that.
Oh, new technique. He's got something up his sleeve. Oh. Oh, he paralyzed them. Pressure points. Uh-oh. Oh. Live or die, man. Honk.
Secret to Miyagi pressure points. Can you teach me?
Yeah, what? They're friends now.
He had a choice and he didn't kill you. This nigga like he about to do the Dukin. Ooh! shit! Yo, everything is limp! Yo, he can't, yo, this thing is just almost like 5-point bomb exploding heart technique type shit! Live or die!
Live or die, man.
Die!
I've waited a long time for this.
Miyagi! I waited a long time for this. Ha! Yo!
Oh, good. You're having fun at my
Oh, you should have seen your face.
That was great!
My limbs were totally numb.
Secret of Miyagi pressure points. If an enemy insists on war, then you take away their ability to wage it. Eh?
Can you teach me?
Yes! Yes! Chozen is gonna teach Daniel! Yeah.
My limbs were totally numb. Can you teach me?
Yeah, he needs that.
Yes!
Woo!
I've waited a long time for this.
Chozen. No.
Fine, that's ultimate revenge. No.
You're having fun at my expense.
That was awesome.
Oh, you should have seen your face.
Do it.
Now he's gonna drop it? Was it all a
Was it all that just for that?
You're having fun at my expense.
Oh, you should have seen your face.
Oh, that's so funny.
Yeah.
Live or die, man.
He's gonna honk him.
honk his
He's gonna honk him.
No.
Ah! Yes!
Oh shit, reversal. Oh shit, fucking crazy.
I have waited a long time for this.
Oh!
Chozen.
Okay. Damn! You gotta laugh at him. Oh shit. Payback's a bitch!